हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम आ गए हैं रॉयल एनफील्ड रजौरी गार्डन में हमारी क्लासिक 350 की डिलीवरी लेने के लिए। इट वाज अ लॉन्ग अवेटेड बाइक इन द फैमिली एंड आज हम इसी को लेने के लिए आए हैं। सो आई हैव माई पेरेंट्स अलॉन्ग विद मी एंड माई कज़न who have come to receive the bike. So this is a quick tour of the store. This is what the store looks like. It is very well planned and everything is laid on very carefully, including the apparels and all the other accessories that are available alongside the purchases that you make from the store. So guys, this is the moment of truth. Now it's time to unveil the bike and show you what's beneath the veil.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Roadrunner 400. Today we are here at the Royal Enfield showroom in Rajouri Garden to buy our Royal Enfield Classic 350cc bike, which is a new offering in the market. So आज हम उसी के बारे में बात करेंगे। आज हम उसकी डिलीवरी लेने के लिए आए हैं। Basically it is for my father. He was long awaiting a new bike. He was using the same bike for the past 10 years. Now it's finally time to upgrade to a better version. So we thought of buying Classic 350, which will look good in its appearance and also offer a significant amount of power when it comes to a higher cc bike, right? So we are buying 350cc this time. So let's go check out the bike now. So guys, as you can see, this is a retro style bike. This is a Classic 350 as the name suggests you. So इस बाइक के अंदर हमारे को अब एक नए टाइप का हेडलैम्प देखने को मिलता है जो कि एलईडी हेडलैम्प है। पहले इसके अंदर एलईडी हेडलैम्प नहीं आता था। बेसिक हमारे पास हैलोजन लैम्प होता था और इसके अंदर हमें एलईडी मिलती है, वो भी वाइट। सो दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ डिज़ाइन एंड द फॉर्म फैक्टर दैट वी गेट ऑन दिस बाइक. It also comes with a cap, whatever you call it, I don't know exactly, but this is a kind of a protective hood for the headlamp itself. As you already know, in the Royal Enfield bike, one thing is very special, that they are all made out of metal. They also say it in their logo, made like a gun. So this is all metal, right? This is not a plastic mudguard, this is metal. आपको एक चीज़ और देखने को मिलेगी कि यहाँ पे आपको पिन स्ट्राइप, हैंड पेंटेड पिन स्ट्राइप्स मिलती हैं. This is painted inside the mudguard, not a sticker. Okay. सस्पेंशन हमें वही टेलीस्कोपिक मिलता है जैसा पहले था. इसके ऊपर एक एक्स्ट्रा कवर आता है जो कि इसको ऐसा दिखाता है कि जैसे USD fork है, बट दिस इज़ नॉट अ USD fork, दिस इज़ अ टेलीस्कोपिक फ्रंट सस्पेंशन, द रेगुलर वन, द स्टैंडर्ड वन दैट यू गेट ऑन ऑल द रॉयल एनफील्ड बाइक्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द रॉयल एनफील्ड बाइक्स. हालांकि अब शॉटगन 650 जैसी बाइक्स के अंदर हमारे को शोवा का सस्पेंशन देखने को मिलता है. एक्सक्यूज़ मी, शोवा का सस्पेंशन देखने को मिलता है उन बाइक्स के अंदर जो कि USD fork की तरफ अब चलना स्टार्ट हो गया. गेट द स्टैंडर्ड इंडिकेटर्स ऑन दिस बाइक, द नॉर्मल वंस, right? These are not LED indicators. So that's on the front, and now we can come to this side, and this is the metal tank again. This is also pinstripe painted inside the paint itself. This is not a sticker. It may look like a sticker, it feels like a sticker here, but it's basically some sort of extra protection on the or some kind of strip that's applied on the paint job so that this is protected, right? So ये sticker नहीं है. Then we get the chrome treatment on the bike in a lot of places, such as the tank, this tank cap, the fuel cap that you see here. This is chrome, a lot of chrome elements on the bike here. And this what you get here is the analog meter. And on a classic bike, on a classic 350cc bike, this is the kind of setup that you would expect. You don't expect a lot of technology, you don't expect a lot of digital consoles on such a bike. I can start the meter and show you the actual appearance of how it is. So this is the only digital element that you see on this classic 350 bike. यहाँ पे हमें फ्यूल कैपेसिटी देखने को मिलती है. गियर पोजीशन इंडिकेटर इसके अंदर न्यूली एडेड है, as you can see. So this is kind of new. You have not seen this thing on the previous model. So the gear shift indicator is available now, which is a very good thing, I would say. This was long awaited and now it's finally here. On this side you see only the Royal Enfield badging, the logo of the Classic 350. If you want, you can actually exchange or replace this piece for the turn-by-turn navigator, which is offered by Royal Enfield for a nominal amount of 5,000 rupees or so. But I personally believe that this classic look actually suits the bike. इसको मैं चेंज करने की रिकमेंडेशन कभी नहीं दूंगा क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक कि वो इतना हैंडी आता है. द टर्न बाय टर्न नेविगेशन इज़ नॉट वेरी हैंडी थिंग, right? So but that's again a personal preference. If you choose to do, you can replace this thing for the turn by turn navigator. Then we have the side mirrors available on either sides of the bike, and these are also retrofitted, and there are some other options available on this bike. You can change them, but I would also not recommend to change them because these side mirrors goes perfectly with the retro look of the bike, the retro feel of the bike. We don't get any gear or lever adjustment here. We bought this model only for the color, basically for the color. So the color combination on this is a dual tone effect that you get on the classic 350. On this particular model, this is a medallion bronze, right? And you can see the all new badging here of the Royal Enfield, which is quite appealing to the eyes, adds an aesthetic feel to the overall look of the classic 350 bike, right? Then you get the seat. The seat setup was standard on this bike, but we have changed that to the touring setup. So ये एक option आपको Royal Enfield के अंदर available होती है जिसको कि आप extra pay करके replace कर सकते हैं. You get a lot of customization on the bike, such as this touring seat. You get the back, the pillion seat, the pillion backrest, and you get the leg guard options. There are several options in the leg guards as well, right? There is also a windshield that we could not place it just yet because that was not available on the stock. But Royal Enfield, this showroom has promised us that they will provide us in the next day or two at our home. And coming to the back side of the bike, we also get the normal indicators, as you can see, the standard indicators here, and the standard tail lamp, which goes with the retro look of the overall feel of the bike. We get our standard silencer that's on the classic 350. So again, I would not recommend to change that because the sound that it gives us, that's more than enough to please the ears. So no recommendations to change the exhaust as well. But again, that's a personal preference. If you do want to change that, stuff is always available on the market. You can go ahead and replace that to your liking. Okay. Then coming to the most interesting part for which we have purchased this bike, and that is the spoke wheel that's offered on the classic 350. So this is a spoke wheel design. Again, as the name suggests, spoke wheel. It does not come with tubeless tires, right? So there is always a risk of getting a puncture or flat tire whenever that happens, right? God forbid that happens. So इसके अंदर हमें ट्यूबलेस टायर्स की ऑप्शन नहीं मिलती है. ट्यूब डिज़ाइन है, राइट? इफ देयर इज़ अ पंचर, बाइक आपकी वहीं रुक जाएगी, आपको टो करके किसी तरीके से ले जाएंगे. The spoke wheel adds an aesthetic and extra appeal to the bike, which we did not want to lose out on. So with that, we made up our minds and we purchased the spoke wheel design over the cast wheel alloy, right? So you can take a look at the engine as well. This comes with a chrome treatment, a lot of chrome treatment in the places. This is not as shiny as this piece because this has got a different treatment. But you can always use aftermarket products to bring more shine to the various chrome parts of the bike. So that's the overall look and appearance of the Royal Enfield Classic 350. I hope you liked it. Now we are taking it to our home. So घर जाने के बाद हम इसके ऊपर और रिव्यू करेंगे और डिटेल में बात करेंगे. अभी कुछ चीज़ें मुझे खुद से भी ज़्यादा डिटेल में मालूम नहीं है. So I'll try to understand these things myself. I right now ride a Dominar 400, but now we have a new bike in the family, and more towards the classic side, a cruiser side. So we will explore more in this direction, give it a few rides. I'll take it on a ride to my office, which is like a 60 kilometers one side. So touring on this bike is going to be fantabulous. All right. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please share a like, share and subscribe for the channel. Until the next one, peace out. And today we are here at the Royal Enfield Rajouri Garden Service Center.